Hello, everyone. I am going to um, give you this template for your credit report to fix your credit. This is the demand to comply and enforcement letter that you send after you send the first one for them to comply. So I'm just going to put this template in the description box so you can use it. And after you have sent the first letter, or maybe you have called them uh, about anything in your credit report and they have not done anything. So this is the enforcement letter, you could say. And let's just read. You're going to put the bureau name here. And let's just read a little bit. I am stressed out. And I can't believe it's been over 60 days ago. I sent letters about the investigation into the items that were inaccurate, unverifiable, and invalidated. To this day, I have not received a reply or any investigation results or any acknowledgement that an investigation was begun, not even on my credit report, section 611A. It is plainly stated that a failure to investigate these items within 30 days gives you a reason to immediately remove those items or information from my credit report. It has been 90 days. So you're going to send this letter as an enforcement letter after you have called and they haven't done anything about it, or you have written other letters. So this is the informant. I think on my other video, I have to I have another template that I might put over there. Um, the first one that you send. So this is let's see, maybe I did put it over there. So this is the follow-up one, the enforcement, because with any instrument or any fixing your credit and everything, you want to have follow-ups, enforcing letters, enforcing. You are within your rights to do this. So I send letters all the time. I'm like, I don't know, it's just a habit now. So I'm sharing this for you guys to use. And everything here in this channel, it's free, but I am going to um have a donation based files. Um, the information will be in the description box. If you want to discharge your car, I am giving those files for a donation because I want to upgrade I do therapies, what is called frequency bed, and I want to upgrade it to a better one. And I just want to, anybody wants to discharge their car, I have some files I can send. I'm only for the donation. You getting the files, not that I actually do the process for you, but the information on how to do it. Donate to files. You want to help me so I can continue the therapies um, for the community. I want to upgrade to I really asked for. Everything else is for information. I get things free and I share things because I think money is an energy. Money, it's it's paper to me. Yes, you do need it. Yes, we need to pay things and whatever, but they're all debt instruments. So it's not important, even though we still use it. It's a debt instrument, so you're not really paying anything, buying anything. It's just change of paper. So donate paper to me. But for a good cause, for a good cause. And I want to help you out. I am trying to see if this one doesn't need to be notarized because some of the templates that I share, they need to be notarized, but this one don't. So it's so frequency is so you have to align yourself with that frequency of abundance. And the abundance is more than paper money, fiat money. Um, there's a way you can actually get lawful money from your paycheck if you work. If you're still receiving a pay, you can turn that into lawful money by the endorsement that you do on the check. So I'm going to be uploading that is a verbiage that you write on the check. And there's other ways to do it, but then you can the bank is required to give you an exchange of lawful money. So I'm gonna be uploading that information soon. And so that's it. That's it. Donate and use this template. I hope you get debt free um discharge all the credit cards and everything that you're in debt. Well, you're not really in debt. All caps. The strong man is in debt before before you knew who you really were in commerce. You got in debt, so you're going to help. You're the agent. You're the surety. You're the surety, and as a surety, you have you can do a lot of things. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.